This is Scott with JSA Foundation Repair. We are located in Cumming, Georgia, May 12, 2015. And we have a stone veneer wall that is cracking across the front of this traditional house. And this veneer is actually real stone, and it's only the veneer, not the foundation moving. So we have dug down and cut out the footing to install 2 piers. And I am now going to go ahead and crank the machine and see if we can close those gaps right there a little bit better. Lift this wall up. All right, here we go. There it goes. Stone going right back in place right there. And what we'll do is we'll get it a little closer. We'll cap the wall in and finish it up. But I wanted to show how we lift this wall and get it back plumb straight level. Another quality job done by JSA. This is Scott again with JSA Foundation Repair, part 2. As you can tell, we brought it right back up again. I wanted to show the final video of us jacking this thing back up. Closed up those cracks over there as well. We will do a little bit of mortar work around that window. But as you can tell, it is a big difference, and it's almost exactly plumb straight and level back to the original position. Another quality job done by JSA.